Oh, hello. Today we are going to play the new update. So we added more fall stuff and Monkey Blocks back, which I never got to play Monkey Blocks ever. So this was very fun to make as a video because I never got to play Monkey Blocks ever because I took like a 7-month break from VR and YouTube in general. So you want me to get into the video, and I hope you like it. Whee! Bigger is McDonald's Wi-Fi. Okay. What? So I wasn't tripping. It's just my game wasn't in yet. That's why I thought this thing is still closed down. That was where the original is. I've never played Monkey Blocks because I took a break from Gorilla Tag when. That's why. Okay, so we did add fall stuff. This is nice. Now let's go in forest. Oh, wow. I don't think I've ever played in fall. First time I played was like around Christmas time before. So this is cool. Whoa, they have like hay bales and this is very fall. They have Stop lagging. They have a scarecrow. And they have like fall stuff, like hay bales. I'm gonna rate this update so far. So far, this update's a 10. Like, they made forest look so good. Is there anything in canyons? Change. Oh, wow. Canyons is definitely changed. There's like these plants. Whoa. And like this big scarecrow. McDonald's Wi-Fi. So, let's check out Clouds. Oh, Clouds has changed too. They have a scarecrow. Let's just do it. Okay. City looks the same. That's where it is. The entrance to Monkey Blocks. The talent show thing is still here. That guy. Ah! Okay, let's go. Now let's look at the cosmetics. Oh! This is new. And that's new. This is very cool. This is a cool wall. Very cool art. Dragon thing. What is this? What is this? I don't guess. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is cool. They have like a sword and like. These are some pretty cool cosmetics. What's this? Just check these things out. Doesn't it really? Wow! Whoa. I really like this cosmetic. You know what? I'm not gonna try and save up for that. Why am I blue? You know, I might have to buy it. I'm gonna buy it. What? No! We have enough. We have it. Oh my gosh. Wait, how does this thing work? Whoa. I rate these cosmetics a 10. This is making it why Like, I could change colors. Monkey blocks. Whoa. What is it? Whoa. What is this place? Some painting here. What the? This is a mall. This is just a mall and that's monkey blocks. This update's a 10. No cap. This update's a 10. Now it's time to see it. They're making Legos or something. Whoa! Oh, look. Is this where you build? Wait, is this where you become tiny? Whoa! This is where you become tiny. Oh, come on. Okay. Hey, look, fence. We. This is very cool. How do I turn back to big? Okay, I'm big again. That's how you become big. Okay. Let's create like something cool. You know what? This is the best I could do after a long time. So we start out. It's the house. Oh, that's a trap. I didn't know it. Well, I wanna play my game and I don't want to hit him. Okay, we're joining a public lobby. I'm gonna be testing your builds. Now I'm gonna troll people. You know, I always have to troll people. It's just my game. So I'm gonna be trolling people with the new cosmetic, like I'm changing color. Guys, I got some cool mods. Can I show you it? Can I show you this color changing mods that I have?
You want to join a code?
I'm Mike Tyson.
Hey, do you want to join the code?
Tyson.
Do you want to
You
join
guys want to join a code with me?
Can I?
Look,
Yes. Can
You
I?
just let me have mods. Who has mods?
look, wanna see it? Wanna see it?
Yeah. What's your clan name?
This is the new cosmetic.
None of your business.
If anybody wants to join.
Okay. Toxicity.
Yeah. See, look, I'm changing color on the leaderboard.
Yeah.
Why you reporting me? Why you report me?
You have mods.
This isn't a
You can't
mod.
have mods.
This isn't a mod.
That isn't mods. That isn't mods, Blue. It's just a ring. Are you stupid, Matt Blue? It's not mods. It's not mods.
You're not even doing it.
Well, that was a blast. I rate this update a 10 out of 10. This is one of my favorite updates of all time. It's also because of this thing. It's really cool. Wait, did I just get my color code? This is one of the coolest updates ever. I never got to play Monkey Block, so this was very cool. And overall, this is a 10. And have a great day. God loves you. And see you in the next one. Bye.